Alrighty, so I have just attempted my first ever smoothie bowl and it looks really pretty. It looks like all the pictures that you see. It's a bit sloppy, but it still looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to eat this. It's good, so good, oh my god. Alright, so I'll be back because I'm gonna devour this. If you guys wanna know how I made it and what I put in it, I'll leave it down in the description below. Basically, I just looked up different smoothie recipes online and kind of just decided what to put in mine and went from there. But yeah, it's really good. This is just my puppy dog. Yes, you are. You're just so clever.
You go girl. Hey, Trixie.
Whoa, that's a bright sun.
It's so dark in here.
Yeah.
Where am I? Where am I?
Doesn't help at all. Okay. Can't see your faces. Nothing helps. There we go. Okay. Morning, everyone.
Hello.
So we've got a bit of a cavalry behind us. We are headed off to swimming with April, and we've got my sister and my niece, and also
my
Ray's dad coming to watch. So yeah, should be a good old time. Vlogged much at all this weekend.
It's a big talking vlog.
Like really, I mean talked, we haven't really talked much. It's crazy.
We love the car vlogs though.
Yeah. We are headed off to my niece's birthday party. It was my sister's birthday yesterday though, so it's kind of like a joint birthday party. It is a superhero and fairy princess theme, hence the reason that April looks adorable in her little Batgirl outfit. Very excited that I actually got to use that. Like fits her perfectly as well, which is crazy. Yeah, it's got my sister some flowers for her birthday and should be a good time. Ray's going as Cat Man.
Bat Dad.
Bat Dad, Cat Dad.
I'm Bat Dad. No, there's no cat.
You're not going as a cat
Isn't
anymore.
she Batgirl?
She's Batgirl.
Yeah, I'm Bat Dad.
They're cat ears.
These are bat ears. Look at them.
They're cat ears.
Perfect. Have you seen a bat ears?
So clearly cat ears.
Little bat ears.
Oh god, alright. So he's Bat Dad apparently, and I've got some fairy wings to put on. We can't go to a dress up party and not dress up. At least a little bit. It's very...
The teeniest bit. Very keen to wear my SpongeBob t-shirt, but Lauren said that's not a superhero.
It's not!
I'm like, SpongeBob is a superhero.
It's a TV character. I'm sure there'll be other opportunities for you to wear your SpongeBob's t-shirt.
When?
At home.
Just around where no one can see it.
Happy birthday to
Falafel. Try one.
Okay, go ahead.
What have we got here?
A lot.
A lot. It's like a $5 kebab.
Really? Is it good?
It's a good meal. Oh yeah.
So I've made some vegan kebabs for us, which we've got falafel, tabbouleh, onion, hummus,
Garlic sauce.
garlic sauce. It's all going for us.
It's good.
Yeah. I made the food and Ray made the drinks. Espresso martini. That's very, very strong.
It's a mud puddle.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. Bye. See you later.
From fire to bed. It smells like smoke in here.
It does.
It's great, isn't it?
My hair is so stinky.
Yeah. Gonna finish up this weekend vlog.
Mhm.
It's been eventful.
Yeah, it has actually.
Yeah. A bit tired though.
Mm.
Public holiday tomorrow.
Yeah, it's Anzac Day tomorrow.
Yeah, got Monday off. That's gonna be the question.
Who is your favourite superhero or fairy princess? That's what the theme of the party was today.
Yeah.
I don't like all of like the old school fairy princesses or fairies or princesses,
Yeah.
just because they're all like,
Old
help me,
school.
help me, damsel
Damsel
in
in
distress,
distress.
and I don't like that. Kind of like Anna from Frozen. I also like Storm from X-Men.
Oh yeah.
Just because I like her power. I'd like to have that power.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Could watch any of their movies.
Mm.
Like solo movies would be great for every one of them. I always like Cyclops.
Yeah.
Yeah. The red beam, he's like... He's pretty cool.
True.
Let's go with that. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. To wherever you're watching, bye tomorrow.
Bye. Ow!
Easy, buddy.
Nice to walk around the park though. It's actually a really nice day, so I'm glad I got out of the house.